Want to create text that feels dynamic and cinematic? The split screen effect is your answer. It literally slices your text into motion, giving your edit a sleek, professional edge. Let's dive into CapCut, and I'll show you exactly how to pull this off step by step.
Welcome to Master It Now, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
Here's a stylish effect that works perfectly for YouTube intros, the reveal screen text effect. Start by adding a black background video from the media library. If it's not visible in trending, just search in background. Next, add a text layer and type in your word. Let's use reveal as our example. Adjust the font and size until you're happy, then extend it across the full clip. Select both layers, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. Now, import the video you want to reveal and place it on the timeline, matching the same length as your compound clip. Select the compound clip, go to Video Basic Blend, and set the mode to multiply. You'll now see your video showing through the text. Duplicate the compound clip by copying and pasting it. On the duplicate, enable Hide Track for now. Select the first compound clip. Go to Mask, Horizontal, and set a keyframe where you want the split to begin. Move forward on the timeline, then drag the mask completely off screen. The exit keyframe is added automatically. Now, unhide the duplicate compound clip. At the same split point, apply another horizontal mask. Rotate it 180 degrees and add a keyframe. Move forward, then drag this mask off screen in the opposite direction. Play it back, and you'll see both halves of your text revealing your video in a split motion. Tweak the keyframes to control the speed of the split. And that's it. A dynamic split-screen text effect to give your videos a cinematic intro. See how powerful that was? The split-screen text effect instantly elevates your video, making it look like something straight out of a movie trailer. Remember, this kind of effect is usually found in high-end editing tools, but you've got it here for free. So do me a favor, like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me where you'll try this effect next.